As the first bite enters your mouth, its refreshing juice travels down to the stomach, delivering intense hydration and natural nutrients. Inside the stomach, Canary melon breaks down easily, supporting gentle digestion. In the intestines, vital vitamins and antioxidants are absorbed, sending glowing nutrients into the bloodstream. These nutrients hydrate your cells, support muscle function, and refresh your organs. Your brain benefits from improved hydration, helping mental clarity and focus. The gut microbiome thrives, promoting better digestion and balance. However, excess intake may cause mild bloating or a temporary blood sugar rise. When enjoyed in moderation, Canary melon becomes a powerful, refreshing fuel for your entire body.